Hi friends, I'm Darshit from Smiles Here and Smiles There, and I'm back again with yet another video. What's special about this video is I will again no doubt upload it in YouTube, but this video is in sync with a motivational post which I'll be posting in one of my friends' blog as a guest blogger. So check out the post and all the other posts. I think there are some 10 motivational posts which different guest bloggers are posting there, so you may learn some new things from that, and I would be very grateful if you subscribe to my YouTube channel too. So the topic which I selected for this guest blog series of motivational video is shaping ourselves. So like this idea was given means without any incidents by my sister. We were talking about some chemistry stuff and she came up with the word amorphous, and then from that the idea generated, and I said, why not make a video on this particular idea. So I would like to first tell that when we are new in any particular field, or when we are born, or when we have zero or less experience, we are similar to that amorphous substance or the powder substance. Why? Because we don't have any shape, we don't have any size, we don't have any weight, we don't have any confidence or any previous experience, nothing. So overall we lack everything, and that's the reason for our amorphous means size, means the structure, yeah, pardon. But as time goes, as we keep on practicing it, trying it, or gaining experience, we develop a structure. It may not be a smooth structure, but we form some structure. So from amorphous we come and become amorphous substance with some structure. The structure may not be smooth, the structure may not be even, may not be good looking, might be prickled, but it has something, some weight, some everything, confidence and all. Then what we can do is we can concentrate our energy on making it a smooth structure, which will be a market selling substance like sugar or something, which has good values, good properties, good looking, everything. So that is how we can take our life ahead with it also, because in most of the cases we are amorphous substance. Then we can grow, have some structure, and then we can try to build on it. And there are many ways also in which we can do. It's not that we have this only way. We can directly go from amorphous to a brilliant diamond or anything. So there are different ways to achieve it, but the best important thing is we have to try to evolve ourselves, have a progress. Like the today you and the today me has to be better than what we were yesterday, and then the tomorrow us has to be better from what we are today. So if we keep on continuing this trend and on a regular basis, if we want to achieve it with all our heart, body, mind and soul, then definitely we all will reach a structure where we all will be the best looking, best selling, the perfect meth for which can be sold in the market. So this is what I had to share, and I hope you like the idea, and I would love to have your input. And if you can share with me what all things you think are important to build your character, your life better, to make yourself better, share it with me. If I have any views, I can also share. If you have also any views, you can also share with me. I'm open for discussion. So that's it. Take care and see you soon. Bye.